good afternoon. I'm Kirsten Neese, and today's Tuesdays at 2. We're at Church Square in Smithfield, Virginia, just about a mile from downtown historic Smithfield. We're going to be going into a Bedford plan today. It's a quick delivery. This home will be ready in late July or early August. It features 1,390 square feet of beautiful living with a great room and 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a flex space. And I can't wait to show you, so come on in. So as you come in, you'll notice that there's a covered front porch here, which is really nice and offers a really nice view of the beautiful street with some off-street parking right in front of the home. And then as we go through, I'll show you this awesome 2-car garage that's super large as well for the owners. So come on in. This home's just getting ready to get into sheetrock. So I'm standing in the great room, the living room. We walked into the foyer area. In here you'll see a large great room with 2 pairs of double windows for lots of natural light. And then we've got this beautiful flex space with a tray ceiling that'll be going in. And this could be great for den space, a dining room, an office, just extra living space for you. Also part of our Cornerstone homes, we always feature a really nice large island that's going to give you plenty of counter seating for you and your guests and prep space for you for your kitchen. The Bedford plan features a sink in your island, which is really nice. You're standing at the kitchen sink and you can talk with your guests and friends and family in the living area here. So it'll be about a 3-foot wide island, nice and long, generous, probably over 6 feet. And then a nice bank of cabinetry back here as well with your range and microwave overhead here. And then you'll have your refrigerator on this side and lots of nice counter space. Also in the kitchen area here, you've got this beautiful little breakfast nook that goes out to a nice, which will be a large patio that you will have a separate fence between you and your neighbor, but it's about a 20-foot long by 13-foot wide patio, which is really nice and generous. There's a nice single pantry door here for you, and then a coat closet. And of course, this is your owner's entry, which takes you out to that awesome garage I was talking about. So 2-car garage, plenty of space here for some storage and other things, but off an alleyway, which is really nice. It's a nice feature here at Church Square. There's lots of alleys. Coming back in, let's take a peek at the owner's bedroom and bathroom. Really nice sized owner's bedroom. King sized. It's appearing a little bit dark right now because the drywall is covering half the window, but I kid you not, this room is generously sized for a king bed and larger nightstands, a dresser, and chair or anything like chaise lounge, a nice large closet for all of your things, and then a double vanity, toilet, and shower in your master bathroom. And as we said, this home is going into sheetrock soon and will be ready later this summer. So come on, let me take you up where your guests are going to live, or if you have extra storage for items and different things, but another little space for you in your home. We always make sure to separate our guest suites from our owner suites, so when they're visiting, you're not on top of each other. What I love about this one, the guest bathroom is actually really nicely sized. It has a linen closet in it, a vanity, and then a tub surround and toilet, of course, but it's just a nice, big, large space. And the guest bedroom is also nice off the front of the home with a street view and features amply sized for a queen bed. And this one's awesome because it's got an extra deep closet. I'm going to sneak through the wall here. But this is a really deep closet, so as you can see, it's about twice as deep as your standard closet, so it'll offer you a lot of extra storage space. We also have at the very front of the home, coming in, your entry closet here, and all of your low voltage will be housed here in your front entrance hall. So as you can see, this is just a beautiful floor plan that's getting ready to be finished, and we're very excited about it, and we hope that you will come and take a peek at it too before somebody else snatches it up. Again, it's 382, which is the lot number 382. It's $355,000 and some change, and come on in and take a peek at it right away and visit with Janet. Thanks for coming.